I don't know who this message is for. Now, I'm a part of the camp of women who's not doing a damn thing today. But I do understand that for whatever reason, there are still some women who want to cook and, do the damn thing today. That's fine. You do you. But what I'm about to say, I hope I set somebody free today. You don't have to cook everything or anything from scratch. This person is not better than you because they woke up at the ass crack of dawn and diced the onions and boiled the eggs and made the cakes and made the pies. They're no better than this person who ordered the pies and bought things pre-sliced and pre-cut and pre-made, or even got things catered. The odds of Food Network coming to your home and bestowing upon you the title of the next Food Network star are very slim, okay? At the very most, you're gonna have a sink full of fucking dishes and a bunch of grumpy people sitting around trying to decide who's gonna cook and who's gonna clean. Or you could not do that and be watching movies and enjoying your family. That's a thought. As long as the food tastes good and as long as the food is hot, that's all that matters. Back in my pick-me days, I used to brag that I could cook from scratch. And you know what that got me? Still single and miserable because I had to clean all that shit up at the end of the day. I was set free when I realized I don't have to do any of this shit. So just remember, your worth is not tied to how productive you are. Okay? You are valuable if you do everything, and you're valuable if you do nothing. You're valuable if you're exhausted, and you're valuable if you're well rested. The message in all of that is, I'm valuable if I do nothing and I'm well rested. That's the easier route. So let's work on leaning towards that, okay?